Okay, so hello everyone. If you are from non-IT background and you want to move into the IT field, this video is for you. Maybe you are studying mechanical engineer, civil engineering and electrical engineering. Maybe you are from BCom or maybe you are from BA or any other non-computer fields. Okay, so now you are confused. Which course is best for me? Can I enter IT without coding knowledge? Is it too late to start? So don't worry, in this video I will explain. Best course for non-IT engineer. I mean non-IT student, not engineer. Easy option for beginner, high salary options and how to choose the right path. Okay, so let's start. So first thing, before choosing any course, ask yourself three questions. Do you like coding? Or do I like creativity, designing? Do I like data and analysis? Or do I like management or communication? Your answer will decide your IT career path. So there is no single best course for everyone. The best course depend on you. Okay. So first thing is best course option. First thing is software engineer. Software testing. Okay, so it is like easiest entry. Software testing is one of the best option for non-IT student. Why? Because less coding is required, easy to learn, high demands, and good starting salary. In testing, your job is check if software has bugs, report the error, make sure everything work correctly. There are two types. Type of testing, two types: manual testing and automation testing. Start with manual testing. Okay, later you can learn automation testing also. Good for fresher and career changers, non-technical students. If you want easily entry into IT, software testing is a very good choice. Second course, that is web development. Web development. Web development means building a website. Every company needs a website. You can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. High these are the beginner friendly. Okay, later you can learn React, Node.js, the backend development. If you enjoy creating website, designing layout, writing some code, okay, then web development is very good for you, and salary growth is also very good in the field. And third best course, that is data analysis. Data analysis is trending now. Company want people who can understand data, create create reports, find the business inside. You need to learn Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and basic Python. Okay, so this is good for commerce student, MBA student, and mathematic background student, and logical thinker. If you like numbers and analysis, this is a great option. So best and fourth best course, that is UI UX design. No coding requirement. If you don't like coding at all, you can choose UI UX design. UI means user interface. UX means user experience. Okay, your job design the app screens, improve your experience, make app look beautiful and simple. You will use tool like Figma, Adobe XD. Very good for creative people, art background student. Salary also good in this field. Okay, and fifth best course, that is digital marketing, fast growth field. Digital marketing is also great option. In this field, you learn social media marketing, SEO, Google Ads, content marketing. No coding needed. Best for business mindset people, people who like social media and good communication skill. Many freelancers earn good income in digital marketing. Okay, and sixth course, that is data science. Okay, this is like best high salary. It is giving you best high salary, and this is advanced. Okay, if you are ready to work hard, then data science is a high salary field. You need to learn Python, statistics, machine learning. It is not easy, but salary is very high. Good for a strong math student, analytic, analytical thinkers. If you are serious and ready to study deeply, this is powerful. Okay, so which course should you choose? Okay, so here I'm going to simple idea. So if you want easiest entry, so go for software testing. If you like coding, go for web development. If you like data, you need to go in data analysis. Okay, if you hate coding but like creativity, you need to go in UI UX design. If you like marketing, go in digital marketing. If you want high salary and can work hard, you can go for data science. Choose based on your interest, not just salary. Okay, so I'm giving you one important advice for non-IT student. Listen carefully. Don't be afraid of coding. Start from basic, practice daily, building small project. Don't compare yourself with IT student. Many non-IT student are now working in a big company. Skill matter more than degree. Okay, so remember this. Your background does not decide your future. Your skill decide your future. IT field is open for everyone. Start small, okay, and be consistent. Within 6 to 12 months, you can switch your career. Okay, so if this help, if this help you, please like, share, subscribe.